All right, guys, this is my review of the Naomi Home Button Tufted three-seater couch. So you can see there's the button right back there. The cushions are all attached, which I kind of like in this couch. What we did is, this is in an Airbnb that we're staying at, but what we did is we went ahead and bought the couch. It's got really padded cushion here for the base, but then we just added some like accent pillows, and we also have the Naomi furniture chair as well as the love seat. So it's a nice little combo. You can see the feet as well, just kind of like very simple but very nice looking black legs. And here it is from the side, and here it is from behind. And everyone always wants to see it from behind, you know. So, anyways, Naomi Home, I think they do a great job of just making it easy to buy a really good couch on Amazon, and this is no different. And if you go this route, you're gonna remember me 20 years from now, and you're gonna be like, you know what? That one guy on Amazon that recommended this, that guy really changed our lives. Merry Christmas.